Before hackers attack your server, the first thing they do is to look for open ports. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can identify the ports that are open on your server. But before we continue, may I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share. Thank you. Now, to scan any port on any server, you need to understand the legal implication of that, because it can be illegal to just scan any server that doesn't belong to one. So what we are going to do is to use as an example this very server belonging to Nmap. So here, as you can see, we have Nmap scanme.nmap.org. So you could scan this, or you could scan your personal IP address. Let us go with this. Now let me hit enter. This is could take a couple of seconds. Now it has scanned. You can see what it took to scan it, how long it took. Here, the first thing it does, it shows us the version of the Nmap, and that is the IP address of the site that we scanned. It tells us that the server is up and running. Then there are other IP addresses or other addresses for the same site that are not scanned. So this is another IP address belonging to that very server that we scanned. This is the IPv6. There is a port that was the connection refused, so it's not shown. Then here you can see the state of some ports that are open. Here we have port 22, which is SSH port. You can see the port 53 and so forth. When you get this response, it is now up to you to decide if any of these ports is supposed to be open or not. Because if they shouldn't be open, then it is up to you to kind of ensure that they are blocked. There are a couple of states in which a port could be in, but the most important ones are three. One of them is open. So as you can see, these ports are open. Another one is closed port, which means nothing is there. So the port is there, but nothing is running on the port. The third one is filtered. When a port is filtered, it means that a firewall was used to block it, usually for security reasons. Let's say that you found a port number that is open here, but which shouldn't be open. What you do is to use a firewall to block the port. Finally, it tells us that one IP address was scanned. Obviously, it was up. And then how the amount of time it took to complete the scanning. So if you work in cybersecurity, you work in anywhere in IT, this is how you can always ensure that the ports on your server are in the right state. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share? Thank you.